Hey everyone, Dean Shah here. Today, we're diving into the most powerful and overlooked lessons from a book that changed the game for millions, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki. This isn't just about money. It's about understanding the rules they don't teach you in school. We're talking about the real deal, lessons that can transform how you view money, success, and building wealth. Over the years, I've returned to Rich Dad, Poor Dad for its blueprint to financial freedom. Whether you're an entrepreneur, business owner, or just tired of the rat race, these lessons are crucial for taking control of your financial future. Grab your notebooks and let's unlock the secrets to financial success together. We go through school, get good grades, land a job. But no one really teaches us about money. Rich Dad, Poor Dad opened my eyes to the fact that understanding how money works is just as important as earning it. It's about breaking free from the employee mindset and stepping into financial literacy. Financial education means understanding assets, liabilities, cash flow, and investing. Developing a money-smart mindset empowers you to make informed decisions. Financial freedom isn't about how much you earn. It's about what you do with what you earn. One of the biggest aha moments is the distinction between assets and liabilities. Most people think a house is an asset, but Kiyosaki challenges that. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes it out. That mortgage or car payment, liability, rental property, stocks, or a business, assets. Focus on acquiring assets that generate income even when you're not working. That's how you build real wealth, by having your money make money. It's a simple concept, but a total game changer. Most people work for money, trading time for a paycheck. But what if you made money work for you? That's the essence of this lesson. Shift from an employee mindset to an investor mindset. Instead of spending everything, invest in assets that generate passive income, real estate, dividend stocks, or a business that runs without you. These are your tools. The goal: create a system where your money works for you, even while you sleep. Rich Dad, Poor Dad emphasizes the power of entrepreneurship in achieving financial freedom. It's about creating value and building a business that generates income. Start small, a side hustle, freelancing, or investing in a small business. Take control of your financial destiny by owning and building something yourself. Entrepreneurship is about innovation, calculated risks, and reaping the rewards of your hard work. Your beliefs about money play a huge role in your financial success. If you think money is scarce or wealth is for others, you'll sabotage your progress. Develop a healthy, abundant mindset. Believe you're worthy of wealth and opportunities. Your thoughts shape your reality. So cultivate positive beliefs about money. Relying on a single income source is risky. Rich Dad, Poor Dad urges us to build multiple streams of income for security and growth. Start a side business, invest in real estate, or explore online income streams. Diversify so you're never dependent on just one source. Sales and marketing are essential skills for success no matter your field. Even if you don't see yourself as a salesperson, learning to communicate and persuade is crucial. Understand people's needs, build relationships, and communicate your value. These skills can dramatically impact your earning potential. Financial growth rarely happens in your comfort zone. Rich Dad, Poor Dad encourages embracing calculated risks for greater rewards. It's not about being reckless, Do your research and make informed decisions. Every successful entrepreneur has taken risks and learned from setbacks. By stepping out, you open yourself to opportunities you'd otherwise miss. Surround yourself with mentors who've achieved the success you want. Mentors provide guidance, support, and insights that accelerate your progress. Seek out those who've walked the path before you and learn from their experience. Fear can hold us back from our financial goals. Rich Dad. Poor Dad teaches us to acknowledge fear, but not let it control us. Setbacks and losses are part of learning. View failures as growth opportunities. Don't let fear keep you stuck in inaction. One of the biggest takeaways is the importance of taking action. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now, even with small steps. Consistent action leads to significant results over time. There you have it, the 11 life-changing lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Remember, it's about mindset, knowledge, and the willingness to act. Financial independence is within reach if you apply these lessons. If you found this valuable, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with someone who needs it. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep striving for financial success.